People who are universally respected often share certain habits that set them apart. Here are 12 key habits of these individuals. They genuinely listen to others, showing interest and empathy. They are truthful and transparent in their dealings. They keep their promises and can be counted on. They treat everyone with dignity, regardless of their status. They acknowledge their limitations and are open to learning from others. They understand and share the feelings of others, offering support when needed. They maintain a positive attitude and inspire others to do the same. They are willing to give their time, resources, and knowledge to help others. They regularly express appreciation and recognize the contributions of others. They treat people equitably and make unbiased decisions. They are steady in their actions and principles, earning trust over time. They uplift others, fostering an environment of growth and positivity. These habits contribute to building trust, admiration, and respect from those around them.